So we got this real carbon fiber lip spoiler from this company, and it's gonna go on the Model 3. So I have one of these, but it's a fake carbon and it's starting to fade. So we're gonna change it to this real carbon fiber. So it comes in a box like this with some foam protection. So we got some extra double-sided tape, some alcohol pads to wipe down before sticking, and a sticker here. So the spoiler itself is nestled in a lot of foam, so it's well protected. Hopefully you guys can see, that looks really good. Seems to be really high quality. Let's go ahead and pull it out of this plastic. So yeah, overall really good quality. There's a little bit of waviness, but very minor. Overall looks very clean. So that's the main thing I was worried about, that it would be too wavy. As you guys can see on the reflection, it's pretty much perfect. There are some waves here and there, but quite minor. So overall I would say 9 out of 10 for sure, somewhere around there as far as quality is concerned. I do have double-sided tape already installed, so I got the old one marked with some tape. So I'm just gonna pull this off and then stick that thing on there. All right, so I got the old spoiler off and all cleaned up. Let's grab the new one and we'll kind of test fit it here. See how well it lines up. Everything seems to be really good and lining up exactly how it needs to be. So now we just need to peel that tape and stick it on. All right, so I got most of the spoiler on. I just left the sides still with the tape. That way I can pull it out right at the end when everything's lined up and finish it off. So now we're just gonna wanna really push on it pretty good to get the tape to stick. We can go ahead and take these off. All right guys, so here's some up close shots. It lined up very well. As you can see, even the bottom is perfect all the way through. The carbon also looks perfect, the weave. And if we stand back, you guys can kind of see the reflections there. Very nice. So yeah, if you want a real carbon fiber spoiler that's gloss, I think this is the one to get.